The school year is just around the corner, and that means it's time to gear up. Not just with books and pencils, but with something very important, our medicine box. This year, we are going custom our own medicine box, lightweight, colorful, and just the right size for classroom use. This medicine kit is super handy for students, teachers, and parents. It keeps all the essentials ready for any little emergency that might pop up. Got something you'd like to 3D print? Just send me a message. I'd love to help. We support both Vietnamese and English-speaking customers. Thanks for watching.